Here we have the stunning Range Rover Autobiography, which is a 5-litre petrol in Carpathian Grey. You have privacy glass, 22-inch alloys with a diamond turned finish, powered tailgate and keyless entry. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have a 10-inch rear seat entertainment, which is perfect for children, along with executive class seating, which are also heated, and an electric armrest in the middle. Going into the front, you have electrically deployable side steps, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle, Autobiography tray plates, and an ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you're going on long journeys and would like to keep refreshments cold. You also have a 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. And you also have ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool, especially in the dark. You also have sat-nav with a wide map, making it easier to see. You can connect your phone, making calls easier to make and receive. And you also have a rear view camera with a 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, making long journeys easier and safer. You also have a heated steering wheel, which is a luxury especially in winter, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is practical for summer and winter. The front seats are also massage, which is a luxury to have. All the seats are memory, which is handy if there's several people driving the car. And you also have a Meridian sound system for extra good quality sound. This car has done 9,220 miles, and you also have an interactive driver display and can change the layout on your screen to your preference. So you can have half a map or a full map, or just have your media settings. You also have a head-up display, which is perfect if you're going on long journeys and don't want to be distracted looking back down. The steering wheel is also leather and wood, and you have a pinstripe veneer, which is a nice detailing, and you also have a leather headlining. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the stunning Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.